So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can protect your iPad. It's like if it will be lost or if it will be stolen, or in case due to bad luck or something, if it is lost by you or if it is stolen from you, then what to do in this situation and how you can get your iPad back. So in this video I will tell you all the things. So first, those users who want to protect their iPad. So for you, what you can do is you can just search in the search tab location services and make sure you always turn on this location services. It's like if it is not turned on, then if it is get stolen from you or if it is lost from you, then you will be unable to track it. Only it will be applicable if it's like it's turned on, then you can just track your device, or if it is not turned on, then just forget. So now I will give the solution to those users whose iPad got lost. So what they can do and how they can get their device back. So there you see there is a thing called Find My. You can search your iPad from Find My. So it's like if you have an iPhone with your iPad, then it's well and good. But if you don't have it, then in browser also you can search for Find My. I have an iPhone, so I will show you this thing in my iPhone. Here you see this Find My. So now you see this one is my iPad. So you can click this, and you can click this to play sound, so wherever it will be there, and through this sound you can, if it is lost, then through this sound you can find your device back. And also you can track your device through it. So this one is the uh, for those people who have turned on the location service, but many of you will be there who like unable to, like, or if they have forgotten to turn on this location service on, then what you can do. So for you there is a bad news that you can track it through Find My. If the location service is doesn't is not turned on, then what you can do in this situation is, whenever any person will find your device and if he will try to turn on it, then it will not turn on. And you can just set a message like, if you find my device, then give it to me back, call me in this number or message me in this mail. So through this you can get your device back.